Hi kids, good morning. It's nice to work with you again. This time we are going to work on transportation. Are you ready to start? Let's start on page 57 of your arithmetic book. Yes, this time we are going to work on mathematics or arithmetic. Are you ready? Good. So let's start now. Let's start reading this. We must first understand the meaning of these words. It says types of transport. We can say transport or transportation. Podemos usar ambas palabras, transport or transportation. Over here we have types of transport. We have an airplane, repeat after me, helicopter, car, bus, bicycle or bike, truck, motorcycle, ship, boat, and train. Now let's see. Over here we have the oldest transport. Do you see the meaning is here? Oldest transport. Now the girl is walking. This is the oldest transport. Wait for a bus. Wait for means esperar. Wait for a bus. Now, look at this. We have a boy and the boy is on the bike or bicycle. We say a bicycle. And the boy wears a helmet. This is a helmet. Do you see? And then this is the action. He pedals. He moves. The action pedals. And then we can see here a private transportation. A car. This is private. Now, let's read this riddle. We have the meaning here. And you repeat after me. Maria waits at the stop for her transportation. Repeat. When it arrives, she waves to the driver and her many friends. What is it? Now let's see some vocabulary. Wait is a verb and it says Maria waits. Arrive is a verb, the meaning is here. It arrives, the transportation arrives. Wave is a verb, the meaning is here. You say hello. And the question is, what is it? This is a riddle. What do you think? Is it the car? Is it the bus? Or is it the bicycle? Yes, it's option number 2 because she waits at the stop for her transportation. There is a bus stop for this. Good. Now, let's read the next riddle. Emily, and you have to repeat after me. Emily uses the oldest means of transport. What is it? The oldest is here, and this is the meaning. The oldest. Emily uses the oldest means of transport. Medio de transporte. Means of transport. What is it? 1, 2, or 3? What do you think? Yes, it is number 2, walking. She walks. Now, let's read this other word problem. Jessica and her mom, you repeat after me. Jessica and her mom sometimes use their private transportation to stop for donuts and milk before traveling 10 miles to school. Do you see? And we have the vocabulary over here. Donuts is here. Before is here. And travel is an action. And it says, Jessica and her mom sometimes, a veces, use their private transportation to stop for donuts and milk before traveling 10 miles to school. Which one is the answer? 1, 2, or 3? Private transportation? Yes, it is the car. It's a private transportation. Now let's continue. Cody's transportation is safest. Read after me. When a helmet is worn, repeat. When a helmet is worn, he watches carefully and does not pedal in front of a car. Pedal in front of a car. Do you see you have the vocabulary here? Cody's transportation, safest, and worn. Which one is the safest transportation? When a helmet is worn. Where is the helmet? Yes, it's here. It's the first option. Helmet. So it's the bicycle. Now, let's solve some more problems. Let's read problem number 1. The engine of a circus train pulled, hello, 3 closed boxes. 1, 2, 3. And 5 opened boxes. Right? Over here, there, well, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says engine is this, the meaning. And boxes is this. The meaning is here, engine. So it says the engine of a circus train pulled, hello, 3 closed boxes and 5 opened boxes. Let's continue. The question is, how many more opened boxes cars than closed box cars did the engine pull? We have to write down the information. Pulled 3 closed boxes, 3, and pulled 5 open boxes. The question is how many more? So which one is the greatest number? 5. So I copy 5 here, and which one is the least number? 3. 3. So the subtraction operation is here. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So the answer is the engine pulled 2 more opened boxes. Let's continue. Let's continue with exercise number 2, or problem number 2. Emily has a dog walking business. This is a dog walking business. This is the meaning. Repeat, dog walking business. Now, she walks, ella pasea. She walks 6 poodles. This is the race, es la raza. She walks 6 poodles and she walks 8 terriers. She walks only the race, solo la raza. Miremos la raza. Let's take a look at the race. Poodles and terriers. Okay. Now, how many more terriers than poodles does she walk? The information is here. 6 poodles and 8 terriers. This is the operation, and the question is one more time. How many more terriers? So which one is the greatest number? 8. 8 is here, minus 6 equals 2. So the answer is she walks 2 more terriers. Now let's do our homework and let's work on pages 57 and 58 of your arithmetic book. Bye and good luck.